Okay, so today we're going to be distributing. Okay, we're going to distribute and multiply so that you can get ready for tomorrow's work. So this is kind of like practice because we've done this before. I'm going to start off with problem number 1. Remember, you have to make sure that you remember that this has 1, the exponent is 1, and the exponent is 1. Because when we start distributing, 12x times 12x, 12 times 12 is 144. Count how many x's you have. 1x, 2x, so you have x squared. And then you distribute this here. 12 times 11 is a positive 132. Count how many x's you have here. You have 1 here and you don't have any here, so it's just x. And that's your answer because these two are not the same. So we're done. Now remember that you have to put these in the calculator if you don't know how to do it. 12 times 12 is 144 and 12 times 11 is 132. Problem number 3. So this is an exponent of 1, and then the coefficient here is 1. So when we distribute, it's 1x times 9x squared. I'm going to change the color. 1x times 9x squared. 1 times 9 is 9. Count your x's. 1 and 2 more, that's x to the 3rd power. 1x times 4x. 1 times 4 is a positive 4. You're multiplying. 1 times 4, 4. Count the x's. 1 here, 1 here, so you have 2 x's. 1 times 3 is a positive 3. There's an x here, no x here, so we just put 1. And these are not the same. This one has x cubed, this one has x squared, this one just has x. So this is your final answer. Problem number 4. Okay, you're going to distribute 2x times 8x. 2 times 8 is 16. Count your x's. 1 here, 1 here, so I have x squared. And then 7 times 8. They're both positive, so it's positive 56. Count your x's. There's none here, there's 1 here, so it's just x. And these are not the same, so you don't combine like terms. That's it, that's your answer. Problem number 7. It's a really long one. Okay, this is exponent of 1. So when we are distributing 11x times negative 5x cubed. So first we do 11 times negative 5. That's negative 55. And if you don't believe me, put it in the calculator. 11 times negative 5 gives you a negative 55. Okay? And then you count your x's. So I have 1x here and I have 3 here. 1 plus 3 is 4, so I have a total of 4. 11 times 8, put it in the calculator, that gives you a positive 88. And you count the x's. There's 1x here, 2 x's here, so that's a total of 3 x's. 11x times 9x. 11 times 9 is a positive 99. There's an x here and another x here, so that's x squared. And then 11x times 8. Again, 11 times 8 is a positive 88. This one doesn't have an x, but this one did, so you have to remember that one and put it at the end. And there's nothing to combine because this one has x to the 4th power, this one has x to the 3rd power, this one has x squared, and this one has x to the power of 1. They're not the same, so this is your final answer. I'm only going to do one more with you, but remember you're doing the whole front page, all of them, todos, and then the whole back page as well. Number 19. We're going to distribute the negative 5x times 6x squared. Negative 5 times 6, put it in the calculator. Negative 5 times 6 is a negative 30. Count your x's. There's 1 here, 2 here, so it's x cubed. And then 4 times 6, that's a positive 4. 4 times 6 in the calculator or in your head. 4 times 6 gives you a positive 24. Count your x's. None here, 2 here, so it's x squared. And these two are not the same, so that's how you leave your answer. And all the problems are basically the same thing, so just make sure you're using the calculator, you're counting your x's or whatever letters they're giving you, and simplify it like that.